Hi, this is Linda Shea with Drilling Contractor. I'm at the 2024 SPE IADC Asia Pacific Drilling Technology Conference in Bangkok. I have with me Mr. Poon with PTTEP, who is going to talk about how PTTEP is evolving its safety training. Mr. Poon, thank you for being here.
Nice to meet you here.
So in the panel session you participated in today, you talked about how PTTEP last year started implementing VR technology and gamification into your safety training. Can you tell us about the evolution of that process?
Okay, it started off with our safety training program, and then I said, okay, it's time that we need to look at how we're doing in the moment. And what sort of feedback we got from our learners, and that was when we started to look at technology, what is applicable to us, and I think augmented reality and VR is in that sort of frame. And eventually, when we look at our issue, the main issue apart from the engagement and the ineffectiveness from the community point of view, we believe that VR-based training together with gamification, it is something that we can put together as a supplement to the existing program, and we can do it to elevate our competency program, and that's the starting point. And at the moment we are doing this project already for 10 months. In the pilot phase, this morning I show a demo of what we have achieved with the first module, which is a self-development project in-house together with a local partner, and that's where we are.
So what kind of role do you see AI playing in terms of learning management for our industry?
Okay. Because when you implement VR, we can record the performance of our trainee, and reaction times and decision making performance, and also whether they have some difficulties in other areas. I think all of these data points, they are a perfect fit that we can utilize AI to improve the performance per se for each trainee, and also analyze where they do good and they do not do so good. I think that's how AI with big data tie in pretty much nicely with the learning management system.
So did you see any challenges in terms of implementing the VR technologies?
There are three main points. The first one is cost, because people will always ask when you talk about new technology, people sometimes, I think a lot of times they overpromise, and I think VR is in the same game. So, but you need. I think everybody see potential. So once you get that potential frame in a proper way, I think we can overcome that cost first in terms of the leadership. And the second thing is, okay, when you roll it out to your employees, they can ask, what do I gain? And I think especially when people who are not used to these high-tech gears, and I think that's the part that we have to design in terms of the communication strategy, the change management strategy. I believe that we can do as a starting point with young gens. I think they can embrace this VR technology quite quickly, and we can do the sort of getting the momentum rolling. I think that's how we plan to do it. Yes. Yeah.
Well, thank you so much for being here, Mr. Poon, and for telling us about the great work you're doing to improve safety.
Okay. Thank you for being here.
And thank you for visiting us on drillingcontractor.org.